What is going on? Welcome to Shed Built. My name is Jordan, and today I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of what we do here in the shed. So if you're new here, at the moment we're working on my HJ75 Troopcarrier, covering everything from rebuilding and wiring the engine right through to the bodywork and everything in between. Everything we've done so far has been right here in the shed with no fancy tools or knowledge really. I'm not a mechanic or anything close to one, so hopefully we can all learn something along the way. If you're keen to know a little bit more about the build, what we've got planned and where we're up to, there will be a link in the top of the screen. You can also get amongst it by hitting the subscribe and that bell icon, and also follow along on Instagram. So hopefully I'll see you in the next episode, and thank you for watching.